We deposited $1,000 and right now we got $45,000. So finally friends, the wait is finally over. I will be launching my own EA that work with gold as of now. I haven't backtested for the indices, but you can trade indices, crypto and forex with this EA. I will show you the backtest result right now. If you like the backtest result and if you want this EA and you want your real accounts to be traded on this EA, comment EA in this reel. I will be sharing you the link of this EA. So let's start the backtest of this EA and you guys only see the result. I will be backtesting here from 1st of January 2025 like till 1st of the September 2025. So I will be depositing here $1,000 and my current leverage is 1:1,000. This EA is perfect because it have a strict SL and a strict TP, and every time if the price goes in the profit, it will trail it. Before going forward, just see the backtest and then we will go ahead. So here are the inputs. We are taking risk for 1% for each trade, and this EA will work for 5 minutes time frame chart. I have added the spread function also. And what is the start time? I will be starting this EA at 7 AM and finishing my EA at 21. So if any trade comes at 11, the EA will not take the trade. Okay. So these are the functions which I added it. I added a spread filter also in this. So if my buys comes at this area, it will add the spread function and then take the buys. Okay. And the news function is also added. If you see this filter of the news, if there is an high impact news like NFC, job openings, interest rates, GDP, the EA will stop working before 15 minutes and after 15 minutes of the news. So I don't want to waste the time. We will be going to the results. As we backtested this, you can see this. We deposited $1,000 and right now we got $45,000 in hand because it will increase the lot size as our equity size increases. And if you see the winning ratio, this strategy have 83% of winning ratio, which is very, very good. And only 17.4% is the lose trades. So the ratio is very good. 83 is to 17% is fantastically awesome ratio. If you see the graph, starting with a balance of $1,000 and it will goes increase and increase till $43,000, which is very huge. I know this is just a backtesting, but seriously telling, I have done this in the live market. Last week, this EA given me 5% returns. Seriously. Thank you so much. If you are really interested in this, I will be throwing a YouTube video on this. So follow to our Star Trading channel. See you guys there. Peace out.